Are you looking for the best non-stick cookware? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best non-stick cookware on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Circulon A1 Series 10-piece non-stick cookware set. We like some unique features that make Circulon A1 budget-priced pots and pans especially beginner-friendly. The saucepans have spouts on either side for easy pouring, even for left-handed cooks, and their lids feature built-in strainers. That means you can cook, drain, and finish a pasta recipe all in the same pan, without needing a separate strainer or dedicated pasta pot. The silicone handles are comfortable to hold and especially heat-proof, minimizing the risk of burns if you forget the oven mitts. The Circulon A1 non-stick coating worked well, notably better than the more expensive Circulon C1 set we also tested. This set is also dishwasher safe, which the C1 pots and pans are not. Where you sacrifice for a low price with the A1 series is durability. This set has a temperature limit of just 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you must be careful on the stove with anything above medium heat. Number 2. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set. Caraway's ceramic cookware is made without the problematic chemicals sometimes found in traditional non-stick, but it's just as slick and even more heat-proof. Baked on at extremely high temperatures, the glassy ceramic coating can be used with most utensils and even the broiler. Yet we could rinse out every last crumb during testing without any scrubbing. It's free of PTFE, PFOS, and other PFAs, as well as lead and cadmium. This is our favorite non-stick ceramic cookware and the best non-toxic non-stick cookware set we know of. Beneath the ceramic layer, Caraway's cookware has a stainless steel, clad aluminum core that ensures induction compatibility. In our tests, the pans heated inconsistently. It took longer for food to brown, with some minor hot and cold spots across the surface, but not so badly that we couldn't adjust mid-cook. We like the generously sized items, and the color selection, with 8 choices. If you want quality non-stick cookware in pink or bright yellow, Caraway is the only way to go. This is a solidly priced set, even when you consider that its 12 pieces include just 4 pots and pans. You get modular magnetic pan racks and a hanging lid holder for storage, but those don't add as much value as, say, an extra frying pan or stock pot. Caraway offers matching and compatible items to add on, however, like a steamer duo that fits in the saucepan and Dutch oven, or the Minis Duo that includes a small saucepan and frying pan. Number 3. Ninja NeverStick 10-piece non-stick cookware set. Ninja's NeverStick non-stick coating is this cookware set's secret weapon. It's safe with metal tools and oven temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and is fully dishwasher compatible. Plus, you can stack the pots and pans in a cabinet to save space without worrying about the bottom of one scratching the surface of another. Each item has a helper handle sized to rest on the rim of the next biggest one. The lids stack up neatly together, too, making this our favorite stackable cookware set overall. It's a comprehensive collection that isn't the cheapest we tried, but still priced well below average. The negative of the Ninja NeverStick line is that it's made mostly of aluminum, which, while lightweight, doesn't hold heat as well as steel. These pans change temperature quickly and are prone to hot and cold spots. If you put a large piece of cold meat in the skillet, it'll cool the surface and not get nicely browned. Generally, it's best to use lower heat and longer cooking times than you might otherwise. Number 4. Made in Cookware ProCoat 10-inch non-stick frying pan. Made in's ProCoat came out on top in our testing of non-stick frying pans, and that's really all you need to know. The non-stick coating didn't hold onto any ingredients and transmitted heat even more effectively than the all-clad HA1 model, which made it easier to get lacy browned edges on our fried egg and crispy skin on our salmon. The 5-ply construction is comparatively heavy and designed to deliver similar results with an induction cooktop as with gas or traditional electric. A series of small details show how the Made in ProCoat design stands out. The beveled lip makes pouring cleaner, the handle rivet joints are too smooth to catch scraps, and the outward curving pan walls add room for tossing food around without spilling. What we don't love about the Made in pan is its flat handle. The corners can dig into your palm uncomfortably, especially if you're carrying a full pan from the kitchen to the table. We generally preferred rounder, thicker handles in testing. It's also a fairly pricey frying pan. You can find serviceable non-stick options for half as much or even less, though they won't be the same quality. Number 5. Le Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron Skillet. When you combine the heat capacity of cast iron with the non-stick capability of an enamel coating, you get a pan that's the best of all possible worlds. Oven safe, heavy enough to sear or simmer, and easy to clean. This model was our favorite enameled cast iron skillet in testing, and it shows why Le Creuset is such a legendary brand. This skillet has passed all sorts of our cooking tests with flying colors, from slowly caramelizing onions to searing steak to making omelets, without a stray bit of food sticking behind. The helper handle is great for moving this heavy pan in and out of the oven or from stove to table, and we also love the side spouts for clean pouring. It's dishwasher safe, and you'll never have to worry about the sometimes intimidating reseasoning process required with pure cast iron. The downside is that Le Creuset pans are expensive. This is a piece of cookware that can last from generation to generation, and it's priced accordingly. It also can't deal with quite as much heat as an uncoated cast iron skillet. Le Creuset's pan is safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, but you don't want to put it under the broiler or on the grill.